Hello everyone. Today I want to show you what's problem in this router. This router is working with 12 voltage. You can see here, but my customer turned on the 24 voltage, and after it's dead. Maybe it is a TP-Link. You must open the 4 screws here and open the body. Okay, and some IC short inside the PCB. I want to show you. Okay, it is a IC flash, and have a VCC and ground, number 4 and number 8. You can see 1 ohm, it's short, and this capacitor here is short, 3 capacitor here short, and coming up here I have a short transistor and short IC converter, DC to DC. And here it's important, this capacitor is short. I think this IC is dead, and I have not to replace that, and this board I think completely dead, and my customer have a must to replace a new one. Okay guys,